Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your live location on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android. It works exactly the same on both. Next, tap the messages icon in the bottom left corner and open a chat with the person you want to share your location with. Once you're in the chat, look just above the keyboard for the location pin icon and tap on it. Now tap drop a pin and hit allow when prompted. Tap again. Allow only while using the app. Make sure your phone's location services are turned on, with precise location set to on and access set to always. Go back to Snapchat and send location again. That's it. Your live location has now been shared, and that person will be able to see where you are in real time. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.